morning. First thing today I'm gonna do is take a shower.
Getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking.
So today's agenda is to actually clean. I'm going to be organizing all my stationery today color wise, but wo jo excitement hota hai na, that initial enthusiasm, it dies on pretty quickly. So I have found some hacks and some personal tips on how not to get bored. Let's do that after we have lunch and after we have cleaned the room up a little bit.
Show you what I'm going through, get you out of your comfort zone, 'cause I need more of the truth right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever
Now we're going to prep the room.
feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around.
So I have this much stationery and this much of storage. Let's begin. So my first tip for organization is don't empty all your things ek saath, because the more things you see around you, you will be more overwhelmed. So take tiny portions out, sort that out, and then take the next
I
step.
don't even care who I run from. You're on my mind, and you know I'm broken, but you're not the kind, on my mind, so listen. I'm on the run.
Tip number 2, do not do this alone. If possible, do it with someone. But if you're alone, don't worry, I have a hack for you. But for a few minutes, I have my mother.
Too much to calm me down. Oh, you're another kind.
But my mama is had to go now. Yet I still have one full box to finish. So what I like to do is turn on my speaker
अकबर बीरबल की अनोखी दुनिया
and listen to stories. This step helps me so much more in organization, because by this point of time, like 1 to 2 hours into organization, and I want to give up. All that enthusiasm dies down. But if I'm listening to stories, I am partially like engaged into what's going to happen next. So I'm still interested in the activity that I'm doing while listening to the story. So the app that I use is Storytel, which is an ebook and an audiobook app. It has so many amazing stories and ebooks. Like for example, I'm currently listening to the book called How to Win Friends and Influence People, because being in lockdown, communication has become so important, because face to face nahi hoti, so there's a lot of chance of miscommunication, and I read this book 2 years ago. So just listening to it is refreshing all the concepts super fast. And not just that, it has like a lot of mini stories, like Priyanka Chopra's stories narrated by this awesome artist. So there's like a lot of personal touch to it. More than that, I can adjust the listening speed. So if I want to like make it fast, I can, but I like to listen at a normal speed only, because it gives me like more of a thrill. But I have friends who like listening it at 1.5x speed, because they just can't take suspense. So it's totally up to us. And there's also like this download feature. So if I want to keep my phone on flight mode so that no one disturbs me while I'm cleaning, I can still stream the book very easily. And there's this snooze time also. So at night, it's very beneficial, of course, because of the night mode. But along with that is the snooze feature. So you can set a time. Like if you know you're going to fall asleep in 10 minutes, then you can just set the timer at 10 minutes and it will automatically like, snooze out. So I love all these features on this app, yaar. So usually there's only a 14-day trial, but Storytel has been very generous and given the whole family a 30-day free trial. There is a link for that in the description box below. So make sure you try this amazing thing because you will feel super productive even when you're doing something else. So in our daily routine, BJP is very common, bartan jhadu posha. And along with that, if you're just listening to something, you don't even feel very while doing the chore and you're still learning something new. We're also hosting a very fun competition for our one and only family, and that is that you just have to post a photo or a story on an Instagram account, tag me and Storytel India, and some of you will get 3 months for free का gift voucher. So when you take a 30-day free trial, we use करते करते जरूर इसमें participate करना. Make sure your account is public, so that we can see it here. I'm gonna get back with my book. Now I have 3 books which are for learning and they're not just stationery. I had this recipe planner. This is another beautiful notebook by Mudita. A 2020 desk calendar which I used a little bit, but now my desk is taken by dad because he's also working from home now. This is a diary that my grandmother gifted me a lot of years ago. It has a calculator inside which still works. I've not changed the battery even once. Then this is a blank page notebook. Blank page notebooks are so beautiful to write in, and even the pattern is so nice. But you need to store your stationery well because otherwise you'll end up damaging the stationery, like my cover has folded from here. Oh, then I have this cursive writing book since 8 freaking standard. Can you believe it? Then a very basic to-do list. Oh, this sticky note has to get a very special shout out because this is by my very good friend Mridul Sharma. This is also Mridul's notebook. Very good quality. Then I have a daily planner, काफी सुंदर, and one bookmark. Let's move on to black. So these 2 Batman ones I have since the garage sale. Then I have this diary, very personal. This also Dadi bought for me. Oh, then these pretty notebooks are by Blink 55. See what happens to notebooks when you don't store them well. So please keep your stationery properly because it breaks my heart to see beautiful notebooks ruined. So I sometimes like to leave the cover on only until I'm not started using. Then this planner was gifted by YouTube in one of their events. And this is a beautiful watercolor book from I think Ayush paper. It's a lot of fun to paint. See this painting, I've done it half. Let's move on to green now. Daily planner, then a notebook, another notebook, and this one, oh my god, so many family members love this 2 bits because of the hollow. Then this is the planner in which I'm supposed to put these refills. It's a very beautiful leather binder. Oh, this is a bullet journal. Yeah, I've been planning to start bullet journaling, but I just don't start it. This is another one that Dadi had bought for me when I was super small, and look at my handwriting. Like, I can't show you a lot because it's very personal, but just look at my handwriting in this. This notebook has special memories because my friend Himani, she loves aged paper. So बहुत मुश्किल से I had found these notebooks. So I had purchased a few for myself also. Green is also done. Let's move on to pink. This is another aged paper wala book. Then I have Piglet wala pouch and a sharpener from Miniso. This work. Kafi quirky na. Like imagine having all your work notes in it or to-do lists in this. Then I have this weekly list. Then this pretty notebook which says "You go, girl." Oh, then I have this binder which is similar to the leather one, but this is in cardboard material. Then a day planner again from Paper Jam, but this doesn't have any year or anything, so I'm not rushing to use this because I can use this next year also. Then I have this notebook. I have collaborated with a local vendor and he puts in so much hard work. And then this set of sticky notes from Miniso. Pink is done. Now we move on to yellow. I have mixed all the yellows and oranges and browns in one section only. So I have 2 notebooks which have Hindi songs on them. A very cute present. I think this is by Eka. A Tigger pouch. Then this is the yellow version of the book. This is handmade paper ka book. Then I have this one from Odd Giraffe. And if I don't have a simple book like this in my collection, am I even a stationery collector? Like, you have to have a book like this. The last thing is this notebook, also from the Aged collection, but this is horizontal. I keep messing up landscape and portrait. I think landscape is this and portrait is this. This is white and this is age. But I have one more thing to show you. I have a very heavy thing to show you. This was a PR package ka storage. I've put all my pens and pencils and sketch pens and color pencils and brushes and glue in this, and it has organized so well. Like everything fits so perfectly as if this was made for that only. Wait, I'll show you in detail. So in this section I have all my pens. So there's mostly blue, but there's red, green and black, and there's a lot of markers like the thick marker. Then I have sketch pens and colorful pens over here. I have a couple highlighters also. My foot is coming inside. In this one I have all the colorful pencils and normal pencils. So this one is like the pencil compartment. So pretty, just so pretty. Then the next one is the brush compartment. So we have the big canvas brushes. We have the I had so many more brushes, and I have no idea where they went. Then in this one we have all the forms of glue. So I have glue stick refills for my glue gun, glue drops, packets from our Faber-Castell PR package. Thank you, Faber-Castell. Thanks a lot. And in this one I have all the random items. So I have one box of neon oil pastels and a lot of trinkets. I think they're meant to be put on clothes and on bags and everything, but I use them on my jute board. Kitna perfectly fit aa gaya na. Done with all the sorting. It's time for tip number 3, that please take a break. Don't stretch yourself out like this. You need to give your body the rest and your mind the rest. So when you've completed like a big task, that is a very good time to take a break. So now I'm just gonna like lie down and continue listening to the book. I don't want to watch anything right now. I want to give my eyes the rest as well.
20 minutes later.
I rested in a very weird angle. I use a whiteboard marker to write on my storage boxes because when I leave some soap on it, it easily comes off. Here I would like to put in tip number 4, please keep water next to you, because you don't realize when you get dehydrated, and when you get dehydrated you get so irritated. I keep like a bottle and a sipper.
With you, it feels like everything is so
Box number 1 done.
real.
And box number 2 is also done. And final box also done. Let's keep it all because I am hungry.
So real. With you, it feels like
Dinner time. We have amazing ubalta hua bhaji and oats ke dosa. But now I'm going off to bed. I don't need chashma also now. Hair care routine coming soon, and remember to avail the 30-day free trial for Storytel right now. Link is in the description box ऊपर only, because वो बाद में नहीं मिलेगा. It's only for a limited time. Today was a good day. It is very true that cleaning up the space around you does clear up your mind. I'll see you with a new video very soon. Comment and let me know what do you want in the next vlog, and I'll give you that. Good night.